There is a new open source multimodal image generator on the scene. It's called Bagel and it's made by ByteDance. Bagel is not just another text to image tool, it's a true multimodal model, meaning it can understand, generate and edit images, hold conversations about images, and handle detailed visual reasoning, all in the same conversational flow. Think of Bagel as a cross between a chatbot and an image generator with the visual understanding power of GPT-4. You can simply chat with it like a regular AI assistant, upload images, ask questions about them, or instruct it to generate or edit visuals. For example, upload a photo and ask, "Tell me about this picture." Bagel can actually describe the image, point out details, and even answer follow-up questions like, "Can you tell me more about the artist of this sculpture?" with context-aware answers. First, I tried to solve the math problem using the image input mode, but it didn't work. Then I tried using the language input model, and this time it successfully solved the problem. Show it a dish and ask for a recipe, and Bagel gives you step-by-step cooking instructions. It can even recognize pop culture images, upload a movie still, and Bagel will describe the scene and give you details like the director and main cast. Where Bagel really stands out is its generative and editing power. You can prompt it just like other top models to create new images. For instance, describe 3 glass portion bottles with specific labels, and Bagel generates them, text labels included. Ask for an animation concept like a fluffy creature with big eyes in an enchanted forest, and Bagel gives you images frames for you to stitch into an animation yourself. I upload a picture of a car in Bagel and ask it to change the color of the car, and it gave me this. For this, I choose the image model also. This model is still free to use, so go ahead, jump into the demo, start a new conversation and experiment. Try something new and see what it can do for you. That's it for now. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and thanks for watching.